team on the board. Blue team 2.
I was dreading this whole thing. It's already running through your mind, like, what could this be? What could this possibly be?
You guys will be bidding on eating chicken livers.
It was surreal. It was deep fried, breaded organ. I was done.
Oh!
Marcellas, you can do it. One every 30 seconds. You got 4 in you.
And then you have to start the bidding.
3, 4.
It is edible. It's edible, or they wouldn't give it.
You can cut the tension with a knife.
Take your time with it. You can do this. 5. Do it.
Marcellas was terrified. He hates it. We knew that we were going to have a free win.
I challenge you, Marcellas, to eat 5 bile-filtering livers of these chickens that have been dead carcae for a while.
Oh God, please don't make this happen. It was truly my nightmare on a plate. I couldn't do it. I could not do it.
It's so small.
It was the worst thing that has ever happened to me.
Plenty of time, Marcellas. Plenty of time.
You want it down?
Get slowed down. No, it's all
Marcellas, can't use all water.
Just take another sip of water and get to 3. Get to 3. Marcellas, you got it. Come on.
It's only chicken. You've got time. You're good.
Marcellas,
No,
you got it.
it's not.
You got it, you lady.
Marcellas on.
Yeah, feet. Yeah, feet. That boy. Marcellas, plug your nose. Plug your nose, Marcellas. Plug your nose.
Got it.
Plug your nose. Come on, Marcellas.
1 minute to go.
It's all right.
Get on it, Marcellas.
1 minute.
Get on it, Marcellas. You got it.
Go, honey.
Marcellas, let's go.
Marcellas.
A whole one in.
That's it.
Marcellas, you got it.
Nice,
Marcellas. Come on, Marcellas, back over. Come on. Swallow it. Get some water. Good job, baby. Good job.
30 seconds. 1 to go.
Don't rush.
You're good, honey.
Take it down, baby. Take it down. Come on. Get it swallowed.
It wasn't like, you gag. I had actual vomit in my mouth.
Marcellas.
4, 3,
He got it. He got it.
He got it! Unbelievable!
Marcellas, good job. We got it.
You got it. I think it took everything in him to get those down, and he did it. I mean, obviously the most valuable player in the game today.
Blue team wins this week's food competition.
Who's the big winner? Marcellas, that's you.
Everyone's hugging him, saying, "You gotta love him." I ain't gotta love him. I'm gonna eat peanut butter and jelly for the freaking week. It's disgusting.